So here's a fun one that I got. It is a limited edition, I believe, to 2,096 pieces. It is one of the Tarmac Works Global 64 Carbon Editions. The Zonda. Love that blue on it. I was actually pretty worried when they announced that this was going to be a show exclusive that I wasn't going to be able to get one or have to pay an enormous amount on eBay. But fortunately, Tarmac Works did have a few of these left over in their store, and I was able to pick one up. So let's take it out of the plastic real quick. So got it out of the plastic. Check out this packaging. Got the carbon fiber look. That's pretty awesome. Actually, I wouldn't mind that as a desktop background on my computer. And it is a limited edition. And my number is number 864. That's pretty cool. So there's a couple pieces of tape on the bottom. Got those off to get it off, or out of the plastic prison. So it looks like this is a sticker. Got a little bit of a bump right there. It's limited to one of 2,064 pieces. Man, that is sharp. Look at the interior. And one of the crazy things to me is you've got the Hot Wheels and stuff releasing cars that are $20 plus the crazy shipping that takes forever to get to you. And you get, I mean, for the most part, they are kind of basic detail. I mean, sometimes you get the special paint and stuff, but you don't get this level of detail. I mean, you can see the racing harness on the seats. And the two-tone interior. It's got mirrors. It's got all kinds of sticky up parts. You would never see this on a Hot Wheels car. Like, never. Got the sharp details in the exterior. Looks like my stripe is a little bit off. And that's, I guess, one advantage you'd have with Hot Wheels. They use Tampo, so at least on the premium stuff, they're pretty consistent. Tarmac Works with these decals can be a little bit off sometimes. I think this is actually coming off. Oh man, that's a metal piece. Very nice. That's so cool. And it's not a whole lot of detail going on the engine, but the fact that you can take the cover off and even see all this is pretty cool. Alright, take it off the chassis or piece of plastic. So, Tarmac Works chassis are usually a little more detailed than this, but I think that's a metal chassis. They did. So they actually did a metal chassis on this one. So now they get a lot of complaints on the cars where they have a plastic chassis. When you spend $20 on a car, you might as well get a die-cast car, right? But this one, they listened. So the rear turns, but the front do not budge. Which I know will frustrate some collectors, but for me, the way I display them, I actually prefer they do not roll. So anyways, guys, do you have one of these? If so, let me know. Make sure to send me a link to the video if you've got one. I think this is actually my new favorite Tarmac Works car. I mean, I love the blue on it, and I especially love the detail. It's fantastic. Not too big of a fan of the front tempo being a little bit off, but I don't know. I guess I shouldn't complain. Because, I mean, it is a limited edition. It's going to be pretty hard to find another one. Don't know. What do you guys think? Would you be unhappy with that? I'm sure you would. What do I know? Very cool. Look at the splitters. That's just an awesome car. So the more I think about it, I'm actually okay with the Tampa slide a little bit. Because, I mean, again, I'm going to probably be displaying this car with a side profile visible, so you're not going to really see that. And from the side, I mean, it's hard to tell it's actually off. Because if you're looking, well, I mean, the way you're looking at it right now, you can't even tell. So it's something I can live with, and I'm happy to have this one in my collection. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, happy hunting.